Stefan, a member of the Naval Bowls Club in Armanford, had a successful sporting season. Stefan travelled to Scotland for the Home Nations competition as part of the mixed ability team of para and visually impaired bowlers, coming third. Then, at the UK Visually Impaired Championship in Cardiff, Stefan and his team became champions. The team were unbeaten to become the UK Visually Impaired Triples champions. All this while working full-time and raising a young family.
Mae Madison yn myfyrwraig yng Ngholeg Sir Gar ac eleni'n bu'n cystadlu ym Mhencampwriaethau Cymru mewn tair disgybliaeth, trampolinio, twmblo a thrampolin mini dwbl. Enillodd air ym mhob un o'r tair gan gystadlu yn erbyn athletwyr corfforol abal. Yna cystadlodd Madison ym Mhencampwriaethau trampolinio Prydain gan gystadlu unwaith eto yn erbyn athletwyr corfforol abal. Enillodd arian yn y categori dan 18 ac efydd yn y categori hun. Mae cystadlu'n llwyddiannus yn erbyn athletwyr corfforol abal yn gyflawniad ryfeddol.
Jimmy from Drefach is a member of Judo Swansea Club and has had another successful year. Jimmy competed at the European Adaptive and Visually Impaired Championships where he won a bronze medal. Jimmy also won silver at the British Judo Schools Championships. The highlight for Jimmy was winning a silver medal at the Teruku Ninagawa Cup in Japan with the British Adaptive team. Jimmy was one of only 15 judo athletes to be selected, competing in the under 65 kg class.